Here we come to the elevators at Business Building, University of Texas at San Antonio, Texas. We're going to be getting this elevator right here because this one has an epic motor, and you'll see why going up. I mean, it's not loud, but I could clearly hear it off camera. We all know, yeah, Dover impulse, but listen to the motor going up when we go up. Here's your phone. This thing has a very nice motor going up. It's dry powered. Not like your traditional Dover DMC type. Door close button does not work. All right, here we go. Listen. That was quite a dry power motor, as you hear. Just your standard 90s Dover elevator. I'm not going to be filming too much elevators on campus. I mean, I am exploring. It's because because I don't see a lot of them too special. Like almost every buildings I went into have since all been modded by ThyssenKrupp. All I find are just ThyssenKrupp mods and installations. That's all I find of it. And just plain basic Dover impulse with the submersible pump motors. So, with that being said, camera just keeps losing the focus. Wait for it to focus. There we go. Alright, that's it.